Hello everyone, my name is Jazz and welcome to my first content about words and phrases we often use incorrectly. And you might be wondering, why am I doing this? Baka meron sa inyo questioning yung credibility ko, bakit ako magtuturo ng English, hindi naman ako fluent sa English. Well, yes po, opo, I may not be perfectly fluent in English, but I love learning. And sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, kasalukuyan po akong nagtuturo ng English sa mga Japanese. And of course, kapag tinuturuan ko po sila, habang tinuturuan ko sila, natututo rin po ako, kaya itadamay ko na rin kayo. Now, let's go back to the main reason why I decided to start this. Well, I decided to start this because I've noticed that a lot of people, myself included, sometimes misuse certain words or expressions without even realizing it. Okay, for today's phrase, let's talk about something simple but commonly misused. What is it? It's the difference between on behalf of and in behalf of. Now, let's break it down real quick. But bago yun, pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung buhok ko. Super dry. Okay, going back, let's start with on behalf of. Siyempre, mag-start tayo dyan sa on behalf of. So, tuwing kailan nga ba natin gagamitin ang on behalf of? Take note guys ha, on behalf of. So, on behalf of is used when we are representing someone or speaking for them. Let me give you an example. I am writing this email on behalf of my boss. Meaning, you are doing the action, but the message is from your boss. Meanwhile, in behalf of means you're doing something for the benefit of someone. For example, since tag-ulan ngayon, uso na naman ang baha. So, pwede natin gamitin ang we are collecting donations in behalf of the flood victims. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? You are not representing them. You are helping them. Basta ang lagi nyo lang tatandaan, we use on behalf of when we are representing someone. And in behalf of when we are helping someone. Okay? So, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit sa dinami-dami ng salita, bakit itong dalawang to yung napili kong unang i-content? Well, simple lang naman po yung kasagutan dyan. Kasi, I always attend events, and ito po yung common mistake na na-observe ko. Sometimes, they say, in behalf of toot, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo. So, instead of on behalf of, they are using in behalf of. So, ayun lang naman. Gusto ko lang din naman i-share sa inyo kasi naniniwala ako na words matter. Dahil isang maling paggamit mo lang kahit sa isang salita, pwede nang magbago yung kahulugan nung sinasabi mo. Kaya, to avoid confusion, mas okay na alam natin yung tamang usage ng mga salita para mas malinaw at ma-deliver natin siya properly. Now, if this helped you, don't forget to like. Well, nasa sa inyo na kung magko-comment kayo at kung i-share ninyo. Pero mas okay kung i-share ninyo. So, yun lang naman. Paalam!